How's it? All right. I actually get a lot of questions in the comments about what front fender I'm running. That is the Polisport SM Line front fender. So the super motard front fender. It's only 27 bucks. I've run this orange one for about a year now. Today I'm going to switch out to a black one. I think it's a really cool, inexpensive way to change up the look of your bike. Once you get tired of a certain color, just switch it out, and it really makes up a big difference. Added benefits of that super motard front fender is it's a lot more stable and cuts through the wind a lot better, especially on your freeway commutes. The stock front fender that came on the DR650 is almost like a boat paddle or boat sail. That thing was crazy. So this one cuts through the wind a lot easier. I definitely felt a lot more stability out of my bike once I fit this front fender on. It comes with a bunch of mounting options, so for your different manufacturers, so it'll fit pretty much anything. Honda, Suzuki, KTM, Yamaha, all of them. So, and it comes with all the manufacturer's colors as well. If you're one of those people that likes to stick to your manufacturer's pretty much predominant colors. So me, I don't care about that. I like, man, for a year I wanted to run orange. Now I'm going to switch to black. And who knows, a few months down the line, maybe a year, I'll switch out another one. Like you said, at only 27 bucks, real inexpensive way to change the look of your bike and keep it looking cool. Anyway, let me throw this on and we'll see what the black one looks like. And there you go, guys. In less than 5 minutes, pretty dramatic change to the look of the bike. Switched out the orange one for the black one, and that's it. I'm gonna throw in some Go Fast stickers because I'm still a big kid. Other than that, there we go. So if you're looking for a quick, easy way to change the look of your bike and put a quality product on, it definitely helps a lot better than that stock boat sail that they give you with your DR650. Check out the Polisport SM Line front fender. Cheers.